Digital marketing is promoting products, services, or brands using the internet and digital channels instead of traditional method like newspapers or TV. It helps businesses reach the right people at the right time on platform that already used like Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, websites, emails, etc. What comes under digital marketing? Let's see. Here are the main pillars of digital marketing. Number 1, search engine optimization, which is SEO. Getting your website or content to rank higher on Google search result. For example, when someone searches best mobile in USA, India, Nepal, like best mobile in USA, best mobile in Australia, your site appears on page 1 and includes keyword search, content marketing like content writing, technical SEO, and backlinks. These are the main helpful things for SEO results. And for social media marketing, promoting brand on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, included organic post plus paid ads. And another one is paid advertising, PPC, paying platform to show your ads like Google ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, YouTube ads. You pay per click or per view. And fourth one is content marketing, creating valuable content for blog posts, YouTube videos, reels and shorts and infographics. Content builds trust and long-term traffic. And fifth one is email marketing, sending email to users for offer, newsletters, product updates. These are very effective for repeat customers. And sixth one is affiliate and influencer marketing, for promoting products through influencers and earning commission by promoting their products. And another main topic is why digital marketing is important. Number 1, low cost compared to traditional ad. Number 2, measurable result for clicks, leads, sales. Reach local or global audience. Perfect for small businesses and startups. And you can promote 24/7 for promotion also. These are the few things about digital marketing. We will study or will explain in next video. Thanks for watching this video.